Welcome to today's English learning video. We will learn English through a beautiful story about bravery and friendship, the brave mouse and the mighty lion. This video will help you improve your vocabulary, listening, speaking, and understanding skills. Let's get started. Now let's watch the story. Pay attention to the words we just learned. In the golden savannah, a proud beast roared. The mighty one was trapped, his powerful frame quivering. Calls for help echoed through the air. From the shadows, a tiny hero emerged. With a brave heart, he stepped forth.
I can help.
He squeaked. He was small but filled with courage. Eager, he rushed to the giant.
Hold on.
He called out, but as he climbed, he too got caught. Panic flashed in their eyes. Trapped together, they felt fear creeping in, yet a spark of bravery ignited.
We can do this.
The little one squeaked, emboldened by friendship. With all his might, the small one began to bite.
Keep going.
The beast encouraged, his strong voice joining in the battle. Together they fought. Suddenly, danger lurked nearby. Fear wrapped around them. The heart of the brave one raced, but retreat was not an option. He pressed on. The shadow grew larger. The hunter was close. Panic swirled, but determination held firm. "We can escape," whispered the tiny ally. With a mighty roar, he pushed with all his might. The net trembled. Hope sparked anew as the tiniest one kept gnawing. Working as a team with a final effort, freedom emerged. The net fell away. They stood side by side, hearts racing. Joy replaced fear, and relief filled the air.
You did it.
Lion declared, admiration blooming. The little one smiled back.
We did it together.
Friendship blossomed amidst the tall grasses. Together they strolled home, the golden light wrapped around them. In that moment, they learned no matter the size, kindness counts. Under the vast sky, gratitude grew in the lion's heart.
Thank you, my brave friend.
He whispered, and together they watched the stars twinkle brightly. Before we watch the story, let's learn some important words. I will show you the word, the meaning, and how to pronounce it. Repeat after me. Savanna meaning is a large, flat area of grassy land, often found in Africa. Example, the lion lives in the savanna. Brave meaning is showing courage, not afraid. Example, the mouse is very brave. Trapped meaning is unable to escape, caught in something. Example, the lion is trapped in the net. Net meaning is a piece of material made of string or rope used to catch animals or things. Example, the hunter used a net to catch the lion. Escape meaning is to get away from something, to get free. Example, the lion and the mouse escape from the net. Now repeat after me. Savannah, brave, trapped, net, escape. It's time to test your vocabulary. I will ask you some questions. Choose the correct answer, and let's see how well you remember the words.
What does brave mean? The answer correct is B, courageous. Brave means to show courage, to be strong and not afraid. Where did the lion and the mouse live? The answer correct is C, in the savannah. They lived in the savannah, a large grassy area. Question 3. What does trapped mean? The answer correct is B, stuck. Trapped means you are stuck and cannot move or escape. Question 4. What did the hunter use to catch the lion? The answer correct is B, a net. The hunter used a net, a piece of material made of string, to catch the lion. Question 5. What does escape mean? The answer correct is B. To get free. Escape means to get away from something or someone, to be free. Question 6. Which animal helped the lion? The answer correct is B. A mouse. The small brave mouse helped the lion escape from the net. Question 7. Why was the mouse brave? The answer correct is C. He helped the lion even though he was small. The mouse was brave because, even though he was small, he showed courage and helped the lion. Question 8. What did the lion and mouse become at the end of the story? The answer correct is B, friends. At the end of the story, the lion and the mouse became friends after working together. Great job today. You learned new words, practiced speaking, and understood a wonderful story. Keep practicing English every day, and you will improve. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun stories and English lessons. See you next time.